Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I am obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you and trying on the Auteur Definitive Lip Renewal right here. So if you're interested in knowing about Auteur's lip product, then keep on watching. Guys, you know my new obsession, well, it's not really new anymore, but my obsession with Auteur is just as powerful as La Mer these days. I love the brand. I think the products are so effective and so good. They make my skin so nice, and I just have to give credit where credit is due. The brand just kills it. I think I saw that they're selling it now in Neiman Marcus. Like, it's getting more and more notoriety, as it should. I mean, it's a really good brand. So they came out with a new lip treatment, and lip treatments, they're important because you age around your lips a lot. I mean, all through here, your lips themselves age, and it's an important part of your skin and face to not neglect. I don't have an upper lip, I have a full bottom lip, and she's 34 and she needs some anti-aging on her lips. And guys, please my hair is just my hair. I'm coming to you guys in my pajamas, guys. I have the thickest hair in the world, and it's just so funny when people want to send me extensions. I always think to myself, like, for what? The hair, I don't lack hair, but for length, yeah, but it's getting healthier. I've been using nothing but Olaplex on it, and then when I blow it out like this and I kind of curl it myself, I'll actually use Kérastase Serum before I blow dry it and stuff. I don't know why, I just think it gives it some type of shine, but it's still not ideal. But the lip product comes like this. It's $95, guys, that's normal. That's normal. I don't know how much La Mer is charging for their lip treatments these days, but 95 bucks is standard, especially for a brand or a product like this and a brand like this. It's made in Germany, which is okay. You get 0.17 fluid ounces. I love the way you apply this, and I want to read to you guys. It's got their lip sculpt complex, which is, it encourages the production of new collagen by emulating natural peptides found in the skin to restore a smoother, firmer, and more even structure. Because I don't know about you guys, but I want my lips to be soft, and plump, and just not a mess. And then it's got collagen peptides to increase collagen type 1 synthesis. And it's increasing skin density and improving the appearance of wrinkles. Don't forget, we get these little wrinkles on our lips and around our lips. And I'm gonna show you guys the texture of this product because it's honestly my favorite texture on a lip product. It's got squalene, which hydrates, calms, and fights free radical damage. Of course, it's your lips. It's taking everything head on, just like your face. Gotta give special attention to your lips. You have to. It's got the hyaluronic complex. It's got 5 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid for intensive, lasting hydration. Guys, I find myself applying this at least 3 times a day. Honestly, it's kind of addicting, but I never miss at night applications because that's when I want my lips to really soak in the product, but it's addicting. Before, after skincare routines, it's just so good, so hydrating, so fresh, makes my lips feel so good. It's got tocopherol complex, it's got vitamin E, rich compounds for protection, nourishment, and hydration. That's all we want. We just want that protection and that nourishment for hydration. That's exactly what you want. So to apply this, you just open it like this, and it comes with a nice application like that. I love that because it's easy to apply with this. You just smooth it right across your lips. And how you bring it out, I'm just gonna show you. You twist the body of it. And you have to watch, because if you twist it too much, you're gonna use a lot of product. A little seems to go a long way with this. So you just, at the first I was a little I didn't know how to do it, but now you just twist it slightly and you see how it comes out the top here. Yeah, so great product, great. This is it at the back of my hand. I just want to show you, I don't know if you can make that out. It feels sticky because it's a lip product, so it's not going to apply like a serum or anything for your face. It's got some tackiness to it, which is great for lip products. So what I like to do, I just squeeze a little more out, and I like to just apply it right with the product. And you see it just kind of go on my lip. And what I like about this product, of it does go over my lip and like kind of onto my skin, which I don't mind because again, you get wrinkles all around your lips. So the fact that some kind of moves when it's applied does not bother me at all. I really, really like it. If you use it, I mean, it's sticky like, oh my gosh, it's sticky like chapstick or sticky like, I don't know, but like it's not too sticky, but I mean, it's just clearly a lip product. You can't really use this to like on your face. Like I wouldn't apply it all over because it's gonna have a tacky base. Again, Auteur is German skincare. I really like it. I mean, even Dr. Barbara Sturm, throw those products out the window and just invest in this brand. I just honestly, it's very rare for me to find a brand that I'm as passionate about as La Mer. I mean, I just think this brand is so good. It's got so many really great science-backed ingredients, and there's so much research involved with this brand that I just think everybody should really be aware of. And honestly, I feel like it's like almost my rite of passage to spread the word about this brand because, hello, we're always looking for good quality skincare products. I want to go on their website. I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. It is a treatment. It's got their lip sculpt complex. I just want to read this to you. It's their lip sculpt complex that goes beyond traditional lip plumping products with a sophisticated delivery system targeting specific cells. That's what I love about this brand. They target. They're designed to deeply penetrate your skin almost like a magnet and get to the cells that they're supposed to be getting to. Targeting specific cells and encouraging the development of new collagen, leading to a firmer and smoother lip texture. By mimicking the natural peptides found in youthful skin to promote collagen and elastin production, it enhances the plumping effect by restoring structural tissue. Coupled with squalene's deep moisturizing benefits, definitive lip renewal treatment locks in hydration for a long-lasting rejuvenated feeling. Experience a breakthrough in lip care that addresses and improves all lip area concerns and restores lips to their optimal state. Guys, obviously I don't use any like fillers or anything on my lips. I mean, these are my lips. These are what I was born with. So that's what we have, girl. Fragrance-free, made in Germany. It's designed to fight wrinkles, fights lines, peptides technology, intense hydration. How to apply. You dispense the product, and I already showed you guys this, but I want to read it to you straight from the website because I think it's important in these videos for people that want to hear it instead of having to read it themselves. Dispense product from the top of the tube by gently twisting the collar of the applicator before gliding across the lips. When to use it, mornings and or evenings and as needed throughout the day to protect lips and restore hydration. So that's naturally what I've already kind of gravitated to anyway when using the product because like I said, I'm at like 3 times a day, so I gotta watch, but if you only wanna use it once for affordability purposes, I just recommend at night. And I think it's gonna really help our lips look younger and rejuvenated, and we don't have to worry about those early onset wrinkles around our lips because like I always say on this channel, the best type of skincare is preventative skincare. You don't wanna start when you already have wrinkles and then try to reverse that. It's very hard to do. So my best advice for skincare is prevent wrinkles altogether by having an aggressive skincare routine that's gonna get in there and that's gonna target everything you want it to get. Be consistent, be diligent, and always be looking for that next good product that is going to be the best for your skin and give you the optimal results that you need. And like I said, don't miss a skincare routine and make sure that everything is young and fresh and plump. All right, guys, that's all I have to say. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful. Again, the Auteur Definitive Lip Renewal is right here. You can find it on their website. I'm gonna link it below, and I hope you guys use it and enjoy it. And I will catch you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye.